huh? Take them?
Yep.
That's right, it's banded, baby.
Got him, finally.
What's going on, folks? Thanks for joining me on another episode of Duck Chronicles. Out here for a late season goose hunt. Got Devin, the urban marauder, with me, and we're set up for some early geese. We actually got some freaking idiots. Don't do this. They came in, they're setting up like at shooting light, which, I mean, it's early or late goose, so a lot of times do that, but patterns, they're flying right in at first light. So we just had a flock, kind of flared off them. While I was hiding the boat, Devin had a chance at 2. So there's birds around, stuff happening, and we got idiots over here. So stay tuned. Hopefully these guys don't blow it, and we have a good hunt. Yep, there's 2. Okay, okay, so you're gonna come right over top. Ready? And take them. Take them. He's got a goose flag and everything. Oh, too high, we gotta get in. I lost him. Cupping in front. Cupping in front. Cupping in front. Cupping in front. Should I just let him land?
Yeah, I thought we were going to work him around. I didn't hear you say take him.
I did, and that's the bad part. Dude! I'm gonna skip back a little bit. Well, those were pretty.
Yup, with the band.
Yeah, they are. They're cupping up. That's you, Devin. That's you, Devin. Hey, nice job.
Sorry, I should have.
Alrighty, fellas, make sure you're hitting that sub button if you're not, so you don't miss out on any more of the content we got coming. The main gig of the channel is hunts just like this all season long, from early till we travel all over the place, to late season honkers. We're getting after the ducks. Hit the sub button. You don't want to miss it. Also, got to give a big thanks to OnX. Guys, OnX is an awesome waterfowler app. Right there in the palm of your hand. I mean, all season long. This spot in particular was something that I pinned before season. I do this every year. I go through a bunch of spots and pin places that I want to go knock on doors. Found the landowner for this piece of permission, got the yes, and I got to hunt it a few times this year, and it's a game changer every year to be able to add some new spots to your repertoire. Not only that, there's just so many other features that are awesome for the duck hunter right here in the palm of your hand. The measure, the distance app, the recent imagery, you name it. So there's a bunch of cool stuff. Go over to OnX, check it out. You're not going to be disappointed. Alrighty, back to the regular part of the show.
Dude, did you see it? When I stood up to shoot, my head was stuck in here. Like, oh my God, get off me! Get off me!
All right, you're gonna have to come with me for this one, man.
All right. You bringing your gun or should I bring mine?
I got mine. Follow this way. Oops. Don't rip your waders.
Huh?
Don't rip your waders. Yeah, hands probably get cold after that. Already fell as well. Quick action, a quick turn of events for today. We started off with some bad luck, but we just had two, right after, one after the other. I got in as fast as I could. Got in the blind just in time to literally shut the lid as they came over the trees, and we were good to go. So 4 down in quick succession, turning this day around quick. So hopefully we get another couple flocks in, but we're feeling a little bit better. I don't know if the cloud cover or what made it where they decoyed a little better, but I keep thinking I hear geese, so stay tuned. Geese. Coming in or? You taking these over to the Huh? Take them? Yep. Take them?
Yep.
Got him, finally. Took me 3 shots on that one goose. Got him, finally. Took me 3 shots on that one goose. Yes! He's banded!
No way. Freaking banded.
That's right, it's banded, baby. We're on the board, band number 2 for the year. Freaking stoked. The urban marauder over there is sulking in his blind, I think.
Yep, sulking in my blind.
It's all right, we both missed some shots today. We should have hit. But that being said, we're at 5. Solid solid morning. So we got about an hour left. We're planning to sit. So if we can get a couple more flocks like that, man, we might actually do it. So stay tuned. It's getting hot. I'm freaking jacked.